Today we have a news on our YouTube channel. Jnr Spragga touching tributes to Soldier Love leaves fans talking after Jnr Spragga oenda grave ya Soldier Love apo paenda kunoita tribute achiremember Soldier Love apo achicleana a Tombstone ya Soldier Love. Kusangana kwa taita zvakare pana Harare Networks patinobatana udzinenge dzichiitika munharaunda nemunyika yedu yeZimbabwe. If you are new here, kindly support us by hitting the subscribe button and also turn the notification bell kuti whenever patinoposta any update, any news, unowauriwe kutanga kusangana nenews dzatinenge taisa pano paHarare Network. So mufananidzo wamuri kuona uripo pascreen apo, it's a video of Jnr Spragga which shared by Dandaro online after Jnr Spragga visited paguva raSoldier Love apo achiita tribute yeku respecta his mentor. Toziva kuti vanhu vazhinji vanoti masongo aJnr Spragga anoita kunge Soldier Love. So Jnr Spragga pazvinhu zvese zvaakuita akufamba netsoka dzekwaSoldier Love. So apa angaenda kunopa a tribute kuna Soldier Love sezvo munhu aisapota music yekwaSoldier Love anovari zimdanso musician akashayika muri Zimbabwe. So Jnr Spragga pa tribute yake video veruzhinji variona ende zvapa mafans kuti vataurawo zvakasiyana siyana, vanhu vachitawo aita zvakanaka kuendapo, vamwewo vakataurawo mashoko akasiyana siyana. So according to news, a touching moment as Zimbabwe musician Jnr Spragga paid tribute to the late Zimdanso icon Soldier Love at his final resting place. According to a post shared by Dandaro online, Jnr Spragga visited the resting place of Soldier Love, where he took a time to clean the tombstone and lay in the honor of the much loved musician. The visit was presented as a gesture of respect and remembrance for an artist whose music and personality left a lasting impression on Zimbabwe's Zimbabwe Zimdanso scene. In the footage shared online, Jnr Spragga can be seen at Soldier Love Tombstone, carefully attending to the resting place before placing flowers and words. The moment in simply, but it carries a strong message even after an artist is gone. The memories created created through music can continue to bring people together. Soldier Love, whose name was So Musaka, was one of the most recognizable figure in Zimbabwe, Zimbabwean Zimdanso. His music connected with many listeners because of its emotional themes, personal experience, and reflection on the everyday life. For many fans, Soldier Love was more than just a musician. He became an important voice within a generation of Zimbabwean Zimdanso followers. His songs become part of people's lives, and his distinctive style helped establish him as one of the memorable personalities in Zimbabwe's music industry. That is why moments such as this continue to attract attention from fans. Jnr Spragga's visit is also a reminder of the importance of remembering artists for the work they left behind. So muri Zimbabwe ndo mufananidzo manga muchiona wa Jnr Spragga achisvika pakaradzikwa Soldier Love. What's your take on this? You should also take on this news. This is Harare Networks, where we give you news which is happening around